Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use hints, undo and shuffle effectively in Vita Mahjong on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Vita Mahjong app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on level to start your game. The hint button shows you a matching pairs instantly. Use it when you can't find a match quickly. Hints are not just for emergencies. They also help you train your eyes to spot patterns faster. After using a hint few times, you will start seeing matches without help. The undo button lets you reverse your last move. Use it if you accidentally match the wrong tiles or block important tiles. Undo helps you fix mistakes without starting over. You don't be afraid to use it strategically. The shuffle button mix up all the tiles on the board. Use it only when you are stopped and have no good matches left. Shuffling too early can ruin a board you were about to solve, so save it for tricky moments. Shuffles is perfect for opening new opportunities and giving you fresh matches. And that's it. By using it, undo and shuffle wisely, you can clear levels faster and avoid mistakes in Vita Mahjong on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.